hobbies. And you see we got this little guy in here. A little dragon. He's a flexi dragon. We're going to change the colors on him, okay? So we're going to go, got to have these white brackets around it. We're going to go to paint. And it's going to take the brackets away. And don't worry about that. And his cap is red. That's good. His gloves are red. But this is blue. I'm going to click on blue. Click on the bucket. And then we're going to try to get this... well, it's blue already, so we can't do blue. So let's go to white and click on that. And we want to put white in here. And we have to open up the, make it more white. You just slide it over a little to get more white. A little bit more. There we go. So there's the white. I'm going to do his gloves. His right here, white, and his eyes are white, but I don't like his body. So what are we going to change his body to? Oh, we got to do this one right here. See that? That's white. Okay, so you can click on. I'm going to drop it in. So you got to make sure. See all this right here? See that blue there? Let's go to this tool right here, the circle. We're just going to get rid of that blue in there. Okay. Remember, the item is 3D, so you got to go all the way around and look. Okay. So, turn him around. He's good this way. There's a little blue right there. Okay, let's turn him back. So his body is black. I don't like the body as black. So we're going to go blue, and we're going to go to the bucket right here, fill, and we're going to make his body blue part by part. Okay, like this. Just click on. We got that spacer at 43, so it's going to cover the area, each little piece. Okay, like that. Let's turn them around here. Get this side. Okay, right there, right there. Okay, now let's look at the bottom. Bottom's good. Okay. I'm using the left clicker on my mouse to do this. His eyes are white. I don't like his eyes white, so we're going to go to black. We got it to fill right here. And we're going to go on his eye. Fill that in. Like that. We got black eyes. So he's all set. He's ready to print. So let's go, and we're going to click on the move thing to get the plate back. I just click on the move thing to get the plate back. Okay. See your tower there? There's all your colors. Okay. It's pretty flat. Got to go to global. Go to support. We're going to go to tree. We're going to go to tree organic, and then we're going to slice this guy. So let's see what we get. If we get any errors, then we know we got to do something different. Okay, so slicing, slicing, slicing. And that's the printer you hear in the background. Sorry about that, guys. I hope you can hear me. Okay. So... okay, it's all sliced. Okay, now I think that this will be okay removing all these little pieces. You see the little pieces in here? Through the joints? Like that, like that. It's going to be on the bottom too. We're not going to do that. We're going to go back to prepare. We're going to slice them without any support at all, and we'll see. Because I think this is just enough where it doesn't need a support. So let's see if we can get away with it. Let's slice it. No, we're getting a floating error already. See the floating error right here? No good. So we got to go back to support. So go to prepare. Click on support, And we got it tree organic. I think that's about the best bet. You're just going to have to clean it up afterwards. Okay? We're going to clean that up afterwards, all those little pieces in there. See all the little pieces in there? Let's get rid of this. It's going to take, wow, long time it's going to take. Total time to print, 14 hours. Well, we could change that in Handy App. Maybe speed it up a little bit from standard to sport. So we're going to go up to File. We're going to go to Export, and we go down to Exported Sliced File. And here's the file name, and it's in 3MF. We're going to go right in here, all the way to the front. I'm going to put a number 1 because she's the first version that I did. I'm going to hit Save, and that file's all saved. So that's what I want to show you in Bambu Studio, covering a file mostly. Okay, and I hope I helped you in any way. Please rate, subscribe, give me the thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, and I can only do it with your help. Bye for now.